Welcome once again to our channel, my friends. Realize Guyana, home of traditional Guyanese recipes. Today we're going to be doing a vermicelli recipe again. We have the vermicelli cakes, the hard vermicelli. So today we're going to be doing the watery vermicelli, the soft vermicelli. So as you guys know, on Saturday is Diwali, and this watery vermicelli is one sweet that is made for Diwali as well. So for this recipe, we're going to be using one of the regular packs of vermicelli, which is 10 ounces or 284 grams. We're going to be using some carnation milk, condensed milk, some cloves, cinnamon, butter, sugar, and raisins. And that's about it for this recipe, my friends. So let's get started with this watery vermicelli. So as usual, guys, the ingredients with measurements will be listed in the description box below the video. So first of all, we're going to add 3 cups of water to this pot that we have here. So we've put our 3 cups of water to heat up to begin with. So once that is hot, we're going to start adding our ingredients to that. So while our water is heating up, we have already turned on the stove for our pan, and we're gonna add our margarine in there to parch our vermicelli. So our butter is melted, and we're gonna add our vermicelli now to parch that. And you're going to break them up a little bit, just so that they're not that long. So our water is starting to boil, as you can see. So now we're going to add our sugar to the water, since it has started boiling already. Add our cloves and cinnamon sticks. So we're going to parch our vermicelli until it gets a bit, a little color, a little dark color. And don't think that it's too dark. We want it to be a bit dark, because once it gets the syrup in there, it's going to lose some of that color. It's going to lighten up a bit. So this is getting a bit darker already, as you can see. So it's been a little bit more time, and as you can see, we got a bit more color on our vermicelli. So we're gonna let it get a little bit browner, and then that should be okay. So our syrup, you don't have to boil that for any specific time. We're only boiling it there with the sugar with the clove and the cinnamon to get the flavor in there. So look, this looks fine here now, my friends. So now that we got our color, we're gonna strain our syrup into there. So now we're gonna cover this. So we're gonna add 1 more cup of water now. So that's 4 cups of water in total. So our syrup is getting absorbed by the vermicelli, as you can see, and it's cooking as well. So now it's time to add our evaporated milk. So that's all 2 cans in. So we're gonna also add our raisins now. And we're gonna get our condensed milk in there as well. So this watery vermicelli is a popular sweet on Guyanese holidays and so on, and religious functions, as well as the vermicelli cakes, which we have a recipe up already. So this is yummy. Some people have this with roti as well, you know that? Tastes delicious with roti. So all of our ingredients is in there right now, and we're just gonna let this boil for a bit. So we gotta bring this up to a boil again, as we added the milk, the evaporated milk and the condensed milk, so it has to come up to a boil again. So this has come to a boil again, as you can see. Now this smells so good. So you don't want to boil this for too long, my friends. You want this to be very watery, because remember, when it cools it's going to get a bit thicker. So it has to be really watery when it's done, so that when it cools it doesn't get too thick. So this thickness here should be good enough. Yeah, and that's it. So we're gonna let this cool off. So that's it for this recipe, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please click the bell icon too, so you get notifications from us whenever we post new videos. Please share this video also. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.